Okay, so this time we will discuss on how to find out the mean, the variance of random variables. We will use these problems to illustrate on how to find the mean, the variance, at the same time the standard deviation of the random variables. So a certain company recently opened some job opportunities. The probability of hiring X additional employees among the applicants is as shown. Number of additional employees, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the probability of corresponding number of additional employees would be 0.1, 0.15, 0.16, 0.29, and 0.3 respectively. You would know that it is a discrete probability distribution simply because when you add the probabilities, that would always equal to 1. 0.1 plus 0.15 plus 0.16 plus 0.29 plus 0.3, that would equal to 1. So how to find the variance? How to find the mean? We cannot just easily find out the variance at the same time the standard deviation without finding it first the mean. So first, that is the given column. This is the first column. We have the x. That would be the number of additional employees, and the corresponding probability are the following. 1 has a corresponding 0.1, 2 has a corresponding probability of 0.15, 3 has a corresponding probability which is 0.16, 4 has a corresponding probability which is 0.4, and 5 has a corresponding of 0.29. So we will first find out the product of these two. 1 times 0.1, that is equal to 0.1, 2 times 0.15, that is equal to 0.3, 3 times 0.16, that is 0.48, 4 times 0.04, 0.4, that is 1.6, and 5 times 0.29, that is 1.45. After this, we will add the result. So 0.1 plus 0.3 plus 0.48 plus 1.6 plus 1.45, that would equal to 3.93. So the mean is 3.93. Okay? So be very careful in solving the mean, simply because when you got an error in solving the mean, so therefore the variance and standard deviation is also incorrect. So let us have the variance. So the variance on the last column, that is the formula, the difference of the random variable and the mean, the x. Yes, the random variable, x minus the mean raised to the power of 2 times the probability. So the first column would be the given number, or the number of additional employee. Then the second column would be the corresponding probability. Then the third column would be the mean. Then we get the difference of the x and the mean. So the resulting value is negative 2.93, negative 1.93. The difference of 1 minus 3.93, that is negative 2.93. The difference of 2 and 3.93, that is negative 1.93. The difference of 3 and 3.93, that is 0.93, negative 0.93. The difference of 4 and 3.93, that is 0.07. The difference of 5 and 3.93, that is 1.07. After getting the difference, we will get the roots, or we will have this, we will multiply this by itself. That is x minus 2 raised to the power of 2. So negative 2.93 times negative 2.93, that would equal to 8.5849. Then negative 0.1, that is negative 1.93 times negative 1.93, that would be 3.7249. Then negative 0.93 times 0.93, that is 0.8649. Then 0.07 times 0.07, that is 0.0049. Then 1.07 times 1.07, that is equal to 1.1449. So after getting these values, we will now multiply each by its corresponding probability. So 8.5849 times 0.1, that is equal to 0.85849. 3.7249 times 0.15, that would equal to 0.558735. 0.8649 times 0.16, that is equal to 0.138384. Then 0.0049 times 0.4, that would equal to 0.00096. Then 1.1449 times 0.29, that would equal to 0.332021. So after getting these values on the last column, 0.85849, 0.558735, 0.138384, then 0.00096, then 0.332021, we will add all these values. Okay? Imo lang siya i-add ang kinalasan ng mga values. So the sum of these values would equal to 1.88859. So that would be our variance by getting the sum of all the values in the last column. Okay, so that is the variance. Since we have already the variance, we can now easily determine the standard deviation. Take note, the square root of the variance is the standard deviation. Okay, so we will get the square root of 1.88859, so that would equal to 1.37. So that is the standard deviation. Okay, so that's it. Those are the process on how to find out the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation of the discrete probability distribution. Thank you.